Aries, the first sign of the zodiac. This is a fire sign. This sign is ruled by Mars, the planet of aggression, anger, and will and passion. Aries is all these things. Because of that, I probably think of a Spartan when I think of Aries. A warrior who is full of vigor, will, and destructive energy. A shield in one hand and spear in the other, taking out enemies left and right with no hesitation, no fear, no regret. They live for battle. The battlefield is their home. Without battle, they're nothing. Without battle, how could they truly be ruled by the Mars? This sign isn't the type to take crap from anyone. They're the type to fight first and think later, and boast about it to their friends later as well. These guys take great pride in themselves. They're full of ego. In fact, they're the sign of ego, the biggest ego of the zodiac. With that ego comes a very short fuse, and with that fuse, a short temper. They have a destructive and explosive temper. It starts quickly and it ends quickly. Besides having a short temper, these people can be very smart, creative, fun, and adventurous. Aries people have the ability to take charge and make decisions quickly. These are qualities of a great leader. Even though they have a rough exterior, at their core is a big-hearted person who will stand up for who and what they love to the very end, like a true warrior would. These people aren't afraid to flaunt their sexuality or even boast about it. In fact, they'd like it more if someone else did it for them, like a significant other or a past lover. They love to be praised. Now, when it comes to creating an Aries-like character for a comic book or cartoon, they may be the type to run into a dangerous situation without thinking about it and probably getting themselves in trouble. But because of their cunning intellect, they'll be able to get out of it. This may be the type of character who loves a challenge and won't back down from a fight. This character may be strong, resilient, even a little selfish about their goals and how they go about getting them. This character may be very direct, harsh when talking to others. They may be just a little wound up from time to time, maybe a little overly aggressive, and very, very, very impatient. As far as abilities go, because Aries is a fire sign, they may have the ability to conjure fire. Also, they may be very well versed in hand-to-hand combat. Because this character would probably like to push forward in a fight so much, continuously going head on, I don't see why they wouldn't have the power of super strength. Using the zodiac to start with character building could be a very useful tool. You may be stuck on deciding the traits for a character, but if you look at the signs, you could probably see, maybe I want my character to be like this. Maybe I want him to be like an Aries. Maybe I want him to be like a Sagittarius or a Leo or Virgo. It could be helpful. Try it out.